Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia XZ2 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should go into the Play Store application and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application downloading and installing on your device. Now just open the app, here click enable in settings and near the green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher, tap here to OK twice. And now just go back and click switch input methods and switch your SwiftKey keyboard to the English United States keyboard. And that's finished. We just set all of the settings and now we'll just go somewhere when we can see the keyboard, for example here. And as can you see, here we got our new keyboard and this keyboard is so close as all the emojis. And it's so close to the iPhone keyboard. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.